Hi everyone. During the pandemic, many photographers are staying at home. We all miss taking photos. But in order to prevent the virus from spreading, we cannot work directly with other people. In this video, I will be showing you how to take self-portraits at home so that you can enjoy shooting and staying creative while being safe. Let's get started. I wanted to create low-key photos, so I used the black side of a foldable V-Flash from V-Flash was as the background. Since I had to work in my small living room, it was very easy and convenient. And then I added one light shot from the side. I used a cheetah stand, deep parabolic Ribon 90 softbox, and a 2000 watt LED light. Why didn't I use a flash? Well, that was my video light, and with a continuous light, it was easier for me to show you in the video how the light goes on the subject. I turned off the ceiling light. The grid narrowed the light and did not spill on the background, so the background stayed black. I sat right on the edge of the softbox, so the light brightened up my right hand side and wrapped it around to the other side. But the shadows were a little too dark. Don't worry, I had a few lights right there. I used a white cardboard and taped it on a light stand. Very simple, huh? And now you can see the light hit the cardboard and bounce back to my left hand side, filling up the shadow. I used my Canon EOS R and the RF 85mm f1.2 L USM lens on a tripod. The 85mm is my absolute favorite focal length to shoot portraits. I normally like to shoot tethering, so I use the USB Type-C cable from Tethered tools to connect the EOS R to my MacBook Pro. And then I could fully control the camera and shoot from Capture One Pro on my laptop. I could change the ISO, the shutter speed, and the aperture as well. I set the camera to the two-set self-timer mode, so it was easier for me to pose after I had clicked the capture button. Actually, I filmed this video days after the actual shoot, so you could already see the results on Capture One Pro. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. During this hard time, please stay creative and stay safe. I'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.